Welcome to Meteora Monasteries, the miracle of Greece. Just a few kilometers northwest of the town of Kalabaka, the impressive rocks of Meteora are rising from the plains of Thessaly, being one of the most amazing places in Greece. Many centuries ago, on these gigantic rocks with the breathtaking landscape reaching heights of more than 600 meters, these gigantic rocks formed one of the most important monastic communities of Greece. The Greek word meteora means suspended in the air. It is a surreal but very amazing scenery. Next is Angel Falls, which is a waterfall in Venezuela. It is the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall, with a height of 979 meters and a plunge of 807 meters below. This waterfall drops over the edge of the Ollantaytambo mountain in the Canaima National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Gran Sabana region of Bolívar State. Looking at the forest below, Angel Falls is a mostly remote and isolated region of Venezuela. There are no roads or permanent settlements near the falls, but visitors can fly over the falls in a light aircraft or take a boat journey along the river. Welcome to Ha Long Bay, which is in northeast Vietnam and is known for its emerald waters and thousands of towering limestone islands topped by rainforests. Ha Long Bay has an area of around 600 square miles, including 1,169 islets, most of which are limestone. Look at how beautiful this is. We are now looking at the Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest Egyptian pyramid. It served as the tomb of Pharaoh Khufu, who ruled during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom. Built 2600 BC over a period of about 26 years. The pyramid is the oldest of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, standing at 145 meters or 481 feet high. The Great Pyramid stood as the tallest structure in the world for more than 4,000 years. Today, it stands at 137 meters or 449 feet high, as over time it has lost 9.5 meters from the top. Welcome to Monument Valley, Utah. The most famous butte formations are located in northeastern Arizona along the Utah-Arizona state line. The valley is considered sacred by the Navajo Nation, the Native American people within whose reservation it lies. Monument Valley is a Navajo Nation tribal park consisting of over 91,000 acres. The entrance is located in Utah, but the valley extends into Arizona. The formations in Monument Valley have achieved some Hollywood fame as the backdrop of many John Wayne movies. Last on our list is the Phi Phi Islands. They are located in the middle of the Andaman Sea, 42 kilometers away from Amphoe Mueang. It is a part of Noforat Thara Beach. The Phi Phi Islands National Park contains 2 big islands, Ko Phi Phi Don and Ko Phi Phi Lee. Plus there is 4 smaller islands nearby, Ko Yung, Ko Mai Phi, Ko Pita Nok, and Ko Pita Nai. Also, the bay of pellucid aquamarine water is surrounded by towering limestone cliffs. So here was the 6 amazing places you won't believe exist on Earth. I appreciate you being here. We'll see you in the next one. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.